Welcome everyone to the first Future of Energy lecture of the fall semester. It's wonderful to see you all back here. I should announce that we have two more lectures this fall that will be coming up, possibly even a fourth. But right now we have one scheduled for October 13th. Michael Skelly will be here from Clean Line Energy Partners. Among other things, he's now working on installing transmission systems for getting wind energy to market, but he was the founder of Horizon Wind, one of the largest wind installers in the U.S. He'll be here on October 13th, and then on November 17th, Maxine Savitz will be here, formerly of Honeywell. She was also a deputy assistant secretary at DOE in the Carter administration. And she'll be here on November 17th. I should note that this series, as you all see from the announcement here, is sponsored by the Center for the Environment and Bank of America, and we greatly appreciate Bank of America's support for bringing thought leaders from all different places, from academia, from industry, from government, to Harvard to discuss questions about the future of energy. Today is a little bit of a different topic. It's delightful to see David Keith here. Actually, I should say David Keith back at Harvard. David did his PhD at MIT in physics. After a fellowship at NCAR, he then came to Harvard as a research scientist working with Jim Anderson in chemistry, EPS, and SEAS, then the division. And then he went off to Carnegie Mellon as a professor and now is at Calgary. He's been at Calgary for a while as the director of their Energy and Environmental Systems group. David has done a broad number is really a thought leader in the broad question of how to deal with climate change from an engineering perspective, thinking about as diverse subjects as how to get carbon out of the air to one of the things he's going to talk about today, which is engineering the climate in terms of managing solar radiation. He has been involved in a number of aspects of thinking about this for a very long time, and it's only recently that these issues are now coming to the fore in terms of being discussed in the broad public. David's been thinking about this for a long time, so it's great to welcome him to tell us his thoughts. Thank you, David.
Thanks very much, Darren.